no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I am reviewing a Outre melted hairline series wig. So of course the name is perfect for the season that we are in. We are in Aries season. Shout out to all the Aries. I love me a good Aries, but you know, I'm a Taurus, so you know, y'all cute or whatever. So yes, y'all already see I am hyped about this hair because why? I'll tell you why. It is on the left side. I love a left side unit. Ugh, it's just something about the left part, y'all. Left part gang, for real. So everything about Aries will be in my description box below. Aries does come with an HD transparent lace. You can add heat to her up to 400 degrees. Aries is in the color 2, and she does have a 2x5 deluxe wide lace part. Also, she does come with a frontal effect hairline, so there's no plucking required, as well as natural baby hairs. The lace is not a hard lace, so you guys please be really careful and handle this wig with care when you are dealing with this lace. So you see I am using my Got To Be spray so I can glue that lace on down. Don't worry y'all, I understand y'all see how light that lace is. I will be using my Fenty 420 foundation as well as my Maybelline powdered foundation as well in the color 355 Coconut. So those are the two complexion products that I did use for my lace to cover up, you know, how light it is. This hair is really long, y'all. So if y'all like a long unit, perfect. This is perfect, perfect, perfect. I will say this is probably about 26 inches on me. This was a really long unit, y'all. So you see I am using my powder foundation in the color 355 Coconut from Maybelline. And then also I will be using another mix of another foundation, like I said, in the Fenty Beauty 420 as well. In the part, I did use the powder foundation though. I didn't want to go too crazy with the baby hairs. I just did 2 little swoops on the sides and I just kept it moving. So let's get straight into the pros and cons. So the pros that I did have with this unit, I love the lace. I love how it blended onto my skin. I really enjoyed this texture. This texture is not silky at all. So I really enjoyed how full it felt. I enjoyed how soft it was. Like, this was a very soft texture. This is the perfect wig to kind of experiment with. Now, as far as the cons, she did shed and she did tangle, but it was very minimal. Also, another pro was this is extremely beginner friendly. Obviously, y'all see how long that it took me to kind of put this wig on. It was really simple. So that concludes today's video. I want to thank Outre for sending me this unit. I appreciate y'all coming back and supporting my channel and watching my content. I appreciate all the new and the current subscribers. I want to welcome y'all. And if this video has helped you want to try on a wig, experiment with a wig, or even perfect how to put a wig on, I did my job today. So, like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.